Hi everyone, I'm finally back to finish my design team project for Arty Maze. Andrea generously gave me this kit, it must be months ago, but I've had so much going on. I've been doing a lot of garden work this year. We've totally revamped our garden. I've now got, not that you're interested, but I'll just get it out there while I'm waffling. We've turned our garden into an edible garden, kitchen garden, whatever you like to call it. So it's now filled with beds, and it's been hard work because we've had to get rid of the lawn, do a lot, make raised beds, but it's finally up and running. Plus, with the loss of, I think I mentioned in a previous video, I basically lost my mojo for making journals, and I've still been knitting and doing slow stitching, but I just wasn't in the mood, and I don't know, I didn't have that creative spark which we all need. But I've noticed now in the last week or so, it's really come back. I don't know if it's the turning of the season. We're in getting it autumn now, and I won't be doing as much work in the garden. So I'm really, really looking forward to getting some new journals out over the next couple of months. I've reopened my Etsy shop. I had a little break from that for a bit, and I have got some journals in now. I've got an autumn journal, 2 Christmas journals, and I think a wedding journal. I will do another video in the next day or so to show them. But today I just want to get this video out really quickly. And my app, what I use with my tripod, I can't get it to work. There's been an update on my phone apparently, and I haven't done it. But this journal's sold, and I really want to post it out in the, tomorrow. So I'm in a bit of a rush to get it done, and I've got sort of about half an hour left before people start coming home from work, etc. So here goes. It's Andrea's kit. I think it's called Dandelions, Bees and Bunnies, or it might be Bunnies, Bees and Dandelions. I will put a link to the kit which I've used, and it's such a beautiful kit. I've called this journal the Hazy Days of Summer, because it just reminds me of like summer's end, you know, the end of summer, where things are still out but not as big as were, but it's just a lovely, lovely kit. It is, I think it's 8¼ by 8½ length by 5½ I'm doing this holding my phone, so because like I said, I can't get my tripod to work and I'm in a rush. So here goes. It's got, let's see, 2 signatures, and I think there's 80 pages front to back. And as I've said, it was in my Etsy shop, but it's now sold. So first page, I've just done like a flip, and I've got an envelope here. I really won't be able to take everything out because with one hand I won't be able to put everything back. And I've just put some bits of papers for journaling. And honestly, I can't tell you how much I love this kit. I like to do these because when you've always got space in your journals, because you can always add, it's like a little notepad on the side. The front cover has got a beautiful, I don't know what you call these. They look like dill or something to me, but I don't think it is. Then you go into the journal. There's this gorgeous little bunny page, and these little bunnies are beautiful. I've left that page blank because actually with this kit, the images are so vibrant, you really don't want to cover them up. So I've left a lot of images without trying to cover the page really, because I wanted you to see the pages and how beautiful the kit is. I've also used, I think, one of Andrea's previous bee kits. I think this one comes from it, and I just thought it worked really well with the journal. Here I've just got a little vellum pocket where I've put in some journaling cards. Like I said, I won't pull everything out because I think a journaling card and a tag is pretty self-explanatory. I have put some of these, I might just see if I can pull that out. I've done some of these papers which I thought, once again, would be just nice for journaling on, and then you can replace them when you're done, put something else in. I can't get me what they are. They're like, dandelion, I guess. Sorry if I'm all over with this camera. This phone. Just a little bit of stamping there. I've done a vellum page there, dandelions on. Here I've done a little envelope pocket, which has got an envelope in, some journaling paper, some cards, some tags. it seems ages since I've done a video. In fact, it probably has been getting up to 12 months. Can't believe how I totally lost my spark for journaling and making. But like I said, I've just started another journal this week, so I'm really, I think, getting in the mood now to get back to making journals. And I think sometimes it's good to have a break from something and just focus on something else. I've been knitting lots of Christmas presents up at the moment, so I've been busy with that. Edith Holden, another one of these gorgeous images, which just, you really don't want to cover them, do you? I think these are Andrea's eco papers, I think they are, and I just thought the colours went perfect with the journal. I've got a side pocket here, which I've just put some bookmarks in. And I love this kit because you've got some lovely little bookmarks in, which anyone who's a reader will know how handy they are. Top pocket there with another journaling card. Sorry, I'm all over the place with this. I think I said there's 2 signatures in it. Journaling card. That might be from the... Oh no, that is from the Dandelions Bees and Bunnies kit, I think. Here I've just got a little National Trust brown bag, which I've just put some journaling cards in. I'm not sure where this book is from, but I just thought these pages went perfectly with the journal. Still on the first signature, just done in a little side pocket with a little envelope, another little bookmark. How gorgeous are those bunnies? They're just beautiful. And I have actually printed some up because I think they'd make some lovely like note paper and envelopes, and getting back into letter writing and sending cards out again. So these will be ideal. I think we've all got into that. It's so easy to just send a WhatsApp message, a text, or messenger. But I think sometimes it's lovely to just receive handwritten cards. So I have printed this out to use as note paper as well. The other side of Edith Holden, just a little die cut I've put in, which I just thought went with the kit. The other side of the vellum paper, and I've left once again plenty of pages to journaling. I think this would make a lovely garden journal, or because I've got a couple of garden journals, and now I've growing oh, you want to see what I've got growing. I'm so proud of my garden at the moment. I've got purple sprouting broccoli, I can say that quick. I've got onions, garlic, swede, spinach, beets, Swiss chard. So I'm hoping now it'll feed me over the winter. This is that. Yeah, this is the start of a second signature. Put another Edith Holden paper in, another little tuck spot with journaling cards, tags. Sorry I'm rushing through this, but I think a lot of it is very self-explanatory. I wouldn't normally have rushed it, but seeing as I'm hoping to post it tomorrow, I really wanted to get it out. I said these images are just so beautiful. Where are we? Trying to do things with one hand. And I think this is actually out of Andrea's sunflower kit, which I just thought all the colours worked perfectly together. More papers, and like I said, they just are too nice, aren't they, these to cover up. The other side of Edith Holden. Here I've just got another side pocket I've made up. It's just been collaged, and there's some journaling cards in it, envelopes which you can put your own. I like people to sort of personalise the journals a bit and do whatever you want to do. All these gorgeous bees. And this is the centre of a second signature. It's got, just put 2 journaling cards and made side pockets out of them. So you can put paper or anything in there. It just keeps things tidy. Another die cut. Edith Holden, some more stamping. Some line paper. I think, actually, I've got a lot of Andrea's kits. I think this might be a spring kit that rings a bell. I'm getting pins and needles trying to hold that. See if I can move it into my other hand. Just got a little envelope here with some journaling cards, another bookmark, another more journaling paper, a ticket, envelope. Like I said, I have put lovely scraps of these in, which I think ideal for just doing notes and things on them. That's if you don't want to write in your journal. But I know the lady who's bought it. So I don't know what does she write in them or keep them, but I hope she'll be happy anyway, and I hope it arrives quickly. Another vellum pocket, side pocket, and coming near the end of it now, I've just put another die cut, Edith Holden, some more eco dyed papers. That's basically it now. Use this beautiful image on the back. It was so hard for me to choose an image for these, but I hope the images I've used showcase the kit to its best. And yeah, that's it. Sorry for rushing through, but I hope you all had a good summer and we're all ready for autumn. And I know a few of you have also lost the mojo, because a few people messaged me to say they felt the same, but hope it all comes back for everybody. Thank you for watching, and I'll have another video to post hopefully next week with the other journals I've got in my Etsy shop, if anybody's interested. Thanks for watching, take care, bye.